Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by connecting the HyperX Cloud Roman 2 headset using the 3.5mm audio cable. Plug the 3.5mm cable directly into the Xbox Series S controller jack. Do not try to use the HyperX USB sound card for Xbox game audio. The USB dongle works on PC but does not output console game audio. Use the inline cable controls to mute the mic or adjust volume instantly. Keep the controller battery charged for stable audio and mic performance during gameplay. Open the guide and navigate to Profile and System, then choose Settings. Select General, then Volume and Audio Output to access headset controls. Set headset format to stereo uncompressed for lowest latency and clear sound. Use headset volume to raise or lower overall headset loudness. Adjust the chat mixer to balance game volume versus chat volume while playing. Turn on mic monitoring and set it to a comfortable level if you want to hear your own voice. Ensure the inline mic mute switch on the HyperX cable is not engaged. Check Xbox settings for mic monitoring and input level to confirm the system detects your voice. Join a party or record a voice clip to verify mic clarity and volume in a live environment. If friends cannot hear you, open privacy and online safety and allow voice communication for your account. Keep the controller firmware updated via the Accessories app for best microphone performance and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.